Trojan Win32 Offloader.EA MTB is a detection you can see popping up after downloading a certain application. It normally flags backdoor viruses or spyware of different grades, but there is also a high chance of it being a false positive, especially when related to the uTorrent installer file. In this video, I will explain what this detection is about, how to understand whether it is a false detection, and how to remove the virus. So, let's figure out the normal meaning of this detection. In the majority of cases, it flags a malware capable of data stealing, more specifically grabbing certain files from a specific directory on a disk of the infected machine. Such behavior is typical for backdoors and remote access Trojans. The EA-MTB ending of the detection name suggests that it comes from the heuristic detection system of Microsoft Defender. Modus operandi of such malware leaves the user with little to no clue on what is really happening. Symptoms of an active virus are thin and may be visible only to technical specialists who know what to expect. Among other things, you may notice random console windows popping up and the traffic consumption spiking up significantly when the malware is active. But all this may not be true for the cases when the Offloader detection flags an installer file of uTorrent, a well-known P2P downloading manager software. The program has quite a story of arguing with cybersecurity vendors because of its spreading tactics and excessive advertisements in the interface. Nonetheless, people keep using it and may at some point see the detection popping up in the system. Is uTorrent a virus, you will ask? I won't say so. It has genuine functionality, even though there are advertisements in its interface and certain other elements of unwanted behavior. The detections that antivirus vendors show you are more about that bad reputation than some really malicious capabilities. And nonetheless, I will recommend you to use a different peer-to-peer downloading software if you can. There are plenty of free options that do not have all those ads and stained reputation. Aside from different uTorrent variants, there is a chance of another safe and legit program being detected with this detection name. In that case, it may just be a false positive caused by imperfections of the heuristic detection mechanism. You see, each of its detections require confirmation from other systems, and when there is none, accuracy of the detection drops dramatically, and that is the point when false detections appear the most. But, well, what should you do if you see the Trojan Win32 Offloader.EA MTB detection flag in a genuine program? An obvious action will be to ignore it, but are you sure this detection is really incorrect? Even for tech-savvy users, it is not an easy task to define the file origin and whether it is safe or not. That is why I recommend you to run a second opinion scan with Gradient-Soft anti-malware. This program will say clearly whether there is any danger to your system. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan. This way, the program will check even the most remote parts of the system. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to get rid of the detected malicious programs. If nothing shows up during the scan, then you have probably encountered a false positive detection, so your system is safe. In any case, good luck and stay safe online.